Ayam Woku Menado. First thing first, put olive oil or vegetable oil on fry pan, and then fry the chop of onion or shallot until brown color, and then add the blend of garlic, cannel nut and ginger. Don't forget put salt and sugar and mix them well for a few minutes until smell beautiful. Add a turmeric leaves, chili if you want to, and kaffir lime leaves, and mix them well, and then chicken in. Don't forget to flip over, and then I put a lemon juice, or you can use a lime juice as well. Flip over, and then I put a lemongrass. Mix them well.
I've been hearing symphony.
I add a chop of tomatoes.
Silence, a rhapsody for you and me.
And then lid on for 15-20 minutes.
Timeless. Life was stringing me along. Then you came
And then flipped over the chicken. Don't forget taste it. And then I add a white pepper powder, and then lid on back until cook, or probably 15 minutes or so. And then flipped over the chicken, don't forget.
I've been hearing symphonies.
You can add water if required.
Silence, a rhapsody for you and me.
Last thing, I add a chop of spring onion, and then mix them well together. Now it's ready to serve, and before serving, I take all the lemongrass, lime leaves and turmeric leaves. And here you go, serving with white rice, and then probably cook broccoli or cook bean, and taste beautiful. Enjoy.